Hello everybody. In the next series of videos, we're going to be talking about objects and understanding objects. So throughout this series, there won't be that much programming. It's going to be more around an explanation about objects. That way, as we go through these videos and we begin talking about more examples, whenever the term object is mentioned, you'll be able to comprehend and understand what these objects are. Now I won't overcomplicate this at all. I'm sure already as it is, you are already familiar with objects in Microsoft Excel, but just maybe not the term object. So first off, I'll explain. I'm going to assume you've used Microsoft Excel a lot already, but you're just getting into VBA programming, and you probably are already familiar with like a workbook object. This workbook, book 1, is an object. You have worksheet objects. Sheet 1 is an object. Sheet 2 is an object. Sheet 3 is an object. And then you have range objects, like if I was to select C3 to G3, this whole range right here is considered an object. When you have a chart in Excel, that's an object. And the reason why I explain this is because objects are dynamic. All these objects are items that can be manipulated through code. You can work with their properties. You can use statements on them. You can use methods, event procedures, several things that you can do with an object. So throughout this course, I'm going to be talking about these Excel objects, and I'll be talking about how you can modify some of them with their properties, and we're also going to be talking about the Excel object hierarchy. So let's go ahead and get started.